Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Tech by Nazom. So I've been using this particular clipper for months now, and today I'm giving you my best honest review. No hype, just real talk. This is the Hiena HYN-212 professional clipper. I got it off from Temu, or you can even get it from AliExpress on any e-commerce website you have on your phone. So today we're going to talk about everything about this particular product. So in this particular section of video, I'm going to talk about the unboxing. So I'm going to show you what comes with the clipper, everything that is inside the box. So first of all, I'm going to adjust it. So this is the front. So I'm going to open it gently. Let me just open it and show you what is inside. Okay. So first of all, you can see. Let me bring it out from the box. So this is the clipper itself. It comes in black color, as you can see. Let me rotate it and show you how it is. It looks very nice. So the name is boldly written on front of it. You can even on it and off it. It looks very nice. So let's remove this particular stuff. As you can see, this is everything that comes with the clipper. This is the adjuster. I don't know what it's called. So this is it. There are four. That comes in 4 pairs. So this is the cable, type A to type C charging. So this is the manual. This is the manual. But I don't really. So this is the clipper cleaner. I use it to brush the bar. The last but not least, this is the cover. It is already spoiled. So that is it. So you can see that is all. That is everything. First of all, let's talk about the build quality. First thing you notice is how it looks. Mine is black in color, and honestly, it looks very clean, very professional. But if black isn't your thing, it comes in gray, blue, and gold. 4 color options total. Now, feel wise, this grip panel in the middle has a diamond texture on it. It is not just for look, it actually helps you to hold it properly, especially when your hands are not dry. The blend is stainless steel and it sits firm on the head. Nothing feels loose or cheap, as you can see. Now, right here is what actually caught my attention when I first saw the clipper. This LED screen on the front, it shows you exactly battery percentage. So right now you can see it's 100%. It also has an oil gauge indicator that tells you when it's time to oil the blade. Most budget clippers don't even give you any type of information. This one actually communicates with you, and I genuinely find this thing useful. No more guessing. If it is about to die, I will find out. Now let's talk about the performance. So for the performance wise, the power output is only 3 watts. I wish they can push it up to 5 watts, so that would be lovely. You can hear the motor running right now for personal use and normal hair. It handles it very well. It's very consistent. It's not too loud. Now if your hair is very thick or very curly or very coarse, you might feel it working over time or harder than usual. It is not the most powerful motor out there, but for the average person doing home cuts or maintaining their looks, it gets the job done very, very well. And I prefer the product, so I've been using it for quite a while now, and I really like it. And secondly, it's a very nice product, so you can use it anytime. You can even use it for shaving, any type of shaving. It gets the job done, so I'm still using it. Now let's talk about the adjuster. It comes with 4 adjustment settings. You can see me sliding this level right here. You can even click changes the cutting length. This means you can do basic fading and tempering without changing your guard. The level feels smooth. It clicks into position properly. I've had a cheaper clippers where things snap or get stiff after for a while, because I've been using clipper. I have different clippers. I remember when I bought one particular clipper from AliExpress. It's not the best, but as you can see from the clipper, as you can see from the video, the fading is working very properly. As in the what is it called again? The adjuster is working very properly, and I love it. As you can see, it's made from plastic, but from the head it looks very durable and it works very fine. So I would recommend you getting this clipper. It works very fine. The adjuster is very good. On the other hand, let's talk about the battery and charging. So the battery is 1500. So remember, this particular clipper comes with a 1500 milliamp hour. To charge it from 0 to full, it takes around 4 hours, and when it's fully charged, it's going to get you around 300 minutes of use. That means 5 hours. Generally impressive for clipper at this price range. Most times I do charge it maybe once in a month or twice in a month. So now this is the important. Pay attention. Charging this particular product only supports a type A to type C, means the cable goes standard USB one end and a USB type C into the other clipper. It does not support type C to type C charging, so don't grab your phone fast charger or cable and expecting it to work. so it doesn't support fast charge, as I can say, or PD charging. So use the cable that comes in the box. As you can see from this video, I've shown you it. So it doesn't support this type of charging. So as I said previously about this particular product, remember this particular product does not support fast charging or type C to type C. So let me show you an example now. So I'm going to show you this. If you want to charge it, if you have only type C to type C, if you want to charge it with type C, you can use this converter. Sorry, let me adjust it very well. So you can use this converter to charge it yourself if you don't have type A to type C. So it's adjusting now. And this particular charger can show you how many watts is entering your phone. So remember, as I said earlier, it supports only 3 watts. So I wish it can support more than 3 watts, maybe 5 to 10 watts. Now I know some of you are already side eyeing mine because I said Temu or AliExpress. But let me be straight with you. I've been using this clipper for months now, and the motor still works fine, the screen still works well, nothing has fallen apart. For the price you are paying on Temu, this thing punches above its weight. A Well and Adidas will beat it, but those cost significantly. Those are very expensive clipper. In its own price range, this is very hard to beat. I can't lie. This is very hard to beat, and this is one of the best clipper you can ever cut for yourself or maybe for your family, and it's very small and portable. Right now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this particular clipper. Alright, let me give you the pros and cons. So on the pro side, what I like about this particular clipper, the LED light show battery percent and on UK. This is genuinely useful. The battery is very solid, around 5 hours or 200 minutes on a full charge. It comes in 4 colors, so you have options. Build quality feels very good for the price, and it supports a type C charging, which is very convenient. So what I don't like is the 3 watts motor. You can struggle to charge the clipper for a very long time, and it doesn't have the best motor. And lastly, it doesn't support type C to type C charging, which is mostly fast charging. It's a bit annoying in this particular 2026, and Hiena is not a well-known brand, so if something goes wrong, you have to go back to the online platform like AliExpress or Temu